beauty, so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitting to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Much less, my God, nobody can contest your greatness. You're the greatest. As great as you are so loving and kind. I sing praises to you most high. I am that I am, I glorify. I praise you forever and ever and ever and ever. God of the universe, so loving, you put me first, you put me first. All I see is you. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
The creator.
Thinking about love, thinking about love. Where everything's right, no wrongs. Thinking about how you care for me. You laid down your life, a perfect sacrifice for me, yeah, yeah. What would I do without your love? There is no me without your love. The way you love me so tenderly, yeah. You love me. Nothing above you. There is no one like you, yeah. For all that you are, I give you all the praise. To you my hands I raise. I worship you always. Because you carry me like a baby. Showers of blessings. Every beautiful morning. See your goodness and mercy. You keep on loving me. All I see is your mercy. There is no one like you. I love you. You love me so, so. So, my Lord, you love me so. I love you so. I'm never letting you go. Nothing can separate me now. Nothing can separate me from you. Nothing can separate me from you. I could go on now. I could go on now. I could go on till the trumpet sounds fine. I could go on You love me so, carry me. Oh yeah, you love me so. Love me, oh yeah, you love me. I'm not a sorry. No, they do me corny. Oh, your love, no, they don't me. Your love is for me. Nothing else I need. Your love, they feel me. Walking down the road, I've seen a lot of faces, and all that I see is you. Your glory in everything you created. Nobody compares to you. Him and her, me and you. He made us wonderful, wonderfully crafted, perfect in him, cause he lives in me. I'm shining bright, cause I'm God kind and I carry Christ. Darkness cannot withstand the light. When I step in, it flees out of sight. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. There is no weapon, I say there is no weapon formed against me in this world or the next that can never prosper. Alright, there is no weapon, I say there is no weapon formed against me in this world or the next that can never prosper. That's why everything's sweet, everything nice, it's so nice. Just look at me, everything rationalized. Nothing can stand against me, nah. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. That's why I'm a wonder, cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside. So everything, no weapon from the games, oh no. See me, I'm running like a new creation, saving souls from every nation. I'm elevating, yeah. One time, let's go, yeah. One time, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Oh. Something, yeah. I dey get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I dey get emotionally, oh. See, I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I tapa hala munker, my daily bread no me do le. Try if it's a me talk, breezy lesson in my mom. Tapa hala munker, my daily bread no me do le. Try if it's a me talk, breezy lesson in my mom. Look,
I'm back with a new flow. God's grace cover me with a new glow. Every morning his mercies are brand new. Type of love, you know, get to part two. Hey, you to catch me when I fall down. You will never walk past when a man down. You left the 99 for the lost one. Amazing grace left me dumbfound. Hey, this is a story of a blessed child. Started from the bottom, but we here now. They don't understand why I love you. Look where I've been and where I'm at now. No darling, no darling. See the things where you do from. No be saying I me fine past you. See the way where you love me. I dey get emotionally, oh. See I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I dey get emotionally, oh. See I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I tapa hala munker. Ma di libre de medunne. Try if it's a mito. Brise leshin de maman. Tapa hala munker. Ma di libre de medunne. Try if it's a mito. Brise leshin de maman.
You they blow my mind. Sweet me know my mind. Now you they give me life. Make everything so nice. Not by power, not by might. By your spirit in my life. I keep winning all the time. Cause I got you by my side. Not by power, not by might. By your spirit in my life. I keep winning all the time. Cause I got you by my side. No darling, no darling. See the things where you do for me. Don't be saying I me fine past you. See the way where you love me.
I dey get emotionally, oh. See I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I dey get emotionally, oh. See I see the ginger me. Your love is just a ginger me. Your love it to the ginger me. I tapa hala munker. Ma di libre de medunne. Try if it's a mito. Brise leshin de maman. Tapa hala munker. Ma di libre de medunne. Try if it's a mito. Brise leshin de maman.
Mix Wonders Magic.
Oh nah nah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh nah. If my God is for me, tell me who'd be against me. Tell me who's standing near me. Tell me who wants to dare me. If my God is for me, tell me who'd be against me. Tell me who's standing near me. Tell me who'd wanna dare me. Yeah.
This is the story of my life, oh. Many men try to bring me down, oh. But if my God says this and his word says this, then it's already done, oh. They can come, I don't care, though. My God has got me in a loco. And he show, and he show, and he show, and he show, and he show me die, oh. Ishe worele mi, oh. Ashe dami bami, oh. Ife Tony, Fumi kola kawe. Ishe worele mi, oh. Ashe dami bami, oh. Ife Tony, Fumi kola kawe.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up.
What's up, Chad? Good morning. Happy Friday. How you guys doing? What's up, Aryan? How you doing? Let's see who's here. Drop some energies in the chat, gang. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat.
Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should've called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him, the pusher still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Noah, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foolie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarlane, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No
Alright, gang, what's up? What's up? Good morning, good morning. How you guys doing? Shout out to 9 viewers right now. How you doing, gang?
Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be alright. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way and still moving them with the faith of God. You know, when I was young, you know, when I say first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol, who at first brought me and my mom.
Alright, chat, we're good. Who's ready for the day? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready for the day. No one's ready, huh? By the way, chat, yesterday, like we took those trades, I got only 10 pips there. Morning, boss. How you doing, boss? How you doing, boss? So yeah, 10. I got 10 there. 10 pips. I close at 10 there, so all good. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so gonna do the tap down now. Where's my tool? All right, so let's start with the weekly time frame, weekly candle. So the weekly candle is about to close, and it will close bearish. Okay, hold myself in. Wow, bro, congrats, man. Yeah, some of you guys hold the trades. Got 400 US dollar, 500 US dollar. So yeah, congratulations, everybody. Yeah, so the weekly candle closed bearish, right? And I know it's about to close bearish in 13 hours here. Okay, so I'm gonna expect on this weekly closure probably like this. Yeah, it's gonna look like that, like this. So we have now new resistance form, right? Even though we have support form here, you respect the support form, it's okay. All right, so the next week candle, I'm gonna expect the top wick to move down even further. If we have enough, if we have volume, right? So if we have a lot of volume, yeah, there's high chance once you re-break the previous candle low here, there's a high chance that we're gonna melt next week again. Okay, so that's the weekly, and I believe the daily candle here closed bearish, as you can see, below the range. Now, right? So you have resistance here on the left, right? We have support form here on the left hand side. And as you can see, we close below the range, below the support. So what will happen now if the candle close below the support and then you have bottom wick 2 here? It's really nice. So later on tonight, I would say when the New York sessions have volume, right? After creating a top wick, this is good top wick already, 3346 area. 3350 area. This is a good top wick, and once this candle start to react here right now, there is a high chance that we're gonna fill the range today. Okay, we're gonna fill this. Okay, because you close below the range, so where's the price gonna head it? If the price gonna head it to the upside, so basically this is gonna be a fake out candle to move back up again. Right, this is gonna be a fake out candle, and then the next week we're gonna fill the range on the left. That's how we anticipate price action, anticipate how the candles close, where's the price gonna head it, right? And right now I would say if we are reacting right now in 3350, there is a high chance that we're gonna continue down today because we close below the range, we close below support. So that's the daily. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame. So the 4, yeah, we have bullish closure here on price, right? Right now we're grabbing liquidities here, and we have closure below too, right? I don't know why we're not pushing. So we have the resistance is up here, okay? Support is here, and we have closure below the range now. Right, this is the closure, and we are retesting again the support. This is the support, right? We are retesting. We have candle close back in the range, the 4-hour close back in the range now. That's why this candle starting to hover around, because we're closing back in the range. So probably for me, this is the fake out candle to move back up again. Right, this is how we gonna correlate the daily and the 4 and the lower time frame. We're gonna know, we're gonna understand where's the price gonna headed today. by finding the support and resistance, the fake out, the clean directions, going back in the range again. So yeah, we still have 58 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. Okay, and then right now we struggle to move up. Okay, we just moved 90 pips on this 4-hour candle. I would say we're just consolidating here around on price. 1 hour time frame. So yeah, the 1 hour we have clean range going up. We have 96 pip here going up, but we don't have top wick on price here. That's really problem. That's the 1 hour. We have support resistance here. The candle close above the range. We have big candles too. Okay, 30 minutes. Yep, we have clean range going up here. So support resistance. The candle close above the range. Okay. Now let's see if we're gonna move up. We have clean range here. Clean range. We have volume. We're gonna pops up. We have 90 pip range in the 15. Yeah, 15 is gonna be a little bit choppy here on price. But yeah, let's see. I'm gonna use 30 for now. All right, I was just watching and oh yeah, he's live today. He got trades there, bro. To 60 pip range. Okay. Alright, chat. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Hit the like, everyone. Yeah, hit the like button, gang. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, he's doing live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yep. And the 15 looks ugly here. Oh, you're paying tax there. Come to Dubai, bro. There's no tax here. There's no tax in trading. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat, gang. All right, we're flipping bearish. This 15 looks ugly here, man. Aryan, how are you? How you doing? Aryan, yep. Oh, yeah, win W. Congratulations. Got the buys. Wow. Congratulations. My own plumbing gas for business. Oh, nice. W Alex K. Chat, make sure you like the stream, alright? Subs to the channel. We are near 1K subs. We're 712 subs today. We're near 1K subs. I'm planning to have a raffle, a funded account when I reach 1K subs. By the way, YouTube doesn't allow me to monetize this thing. So I don't care. I just wanna do some lives every single day. Giving value to the people and yeah, keep going, you know. I'm not making money here on YouTube, alright, chat. I'm just sitting here sharing my value and keep going. This is not for me, this is for you guys too. I'm learning every single day. You guys are learning every single day. So both us is winning. Right, gang? Because trading is very lonely, it's very boring. So yeah, why I need to trade alone, right? If I can trade with you guys. If I can trade with the live stream, I can show up every single day. Right? So better to show up every single day. That's it. It's gonna be my routine, right? Once I woke up 8 9 a.m. then do live stream at 11 a.m. right? So lonely, no one to share loses and win. Yeah, because trading is all about you versus you. But if you want to ask, if you want to ask the feeling, psychology, you can ask, you can ask me, you can ask the real trader that, had that experience to the market. Because if you ask your friend, if you ask the people that doesn't know about trading, they will say that, oh, you're crazy, right? What's that trading? You're just gambling there, whatever, right? So if you need help, seek the people that has an experience in trading, not the people that doesn't have any experience in trading. What's the good entry for a gold now? Golding, taking too much L today. Yeah, if you're taking too much L today, don't trade anymore. Just call it a day because right now, yeah, we are choppy right now. Choppy. We are in the choppy range. So I'm not touching anything yet on chart. So yep. Trading is not all about how many trades you're gonna take today. It's all about your discipline, taking your setup, taking your high probability setup, following the playbook, following the rules. It's not just, oh, I'm gonna take buy, I'm gonna take sell. No. So if you got too much L today, you call it a day and then come back next week. Because psychology, we have just too emotional feeling every single day in terms of money, because we're just taking risks in terms of money. So our mind is feeding like when we take loss, we want to do revenge trading, right? Revenge. I want to take my money back, like this. But the trading, it doesn't work like that. So Camille B, yeah. If you are, I would say, if you're beginner or you're still on the process of trading, just keep on studying, right? Learn how to be disciplined, learn how to adapt, learn how to have a playbook that you need to follow every single day. That's I would suggest. Yeah, you can do demo too if you want, but yeah. And Chad, you know that there is a lot of people losing a lot of money into the market every single day. So this, when the news pops up yesterday, they're buying and then the price melt down. There's a lot of people losing money there. Keep in mind. 45. How you doing? Yeah. I'm feeling good, blessed and highly favored, bro. Blessed and highly favored. Showing up in the live stream, I'm blessed. Seeing you guys, seeing the chat, I'm blessed. You're blessed because you are here, coach. Amen. Blessings to everybody. Appreciate your time. Yeah, that's blessings. Blessings. We hustling here every single day. We grinding every single day. Chat, I would suggest, if you guys wanna be, profitable trader, gang, just show up in the live stream here. It's free, bro. It's free. You're gonna learn here a lot. I'm learning in my strategy too. I'm learning with myself too. I'm learning how to be disciplined in myself. Learn how to be patient. You see my trades, right? I see you guys my trades, and what else? Yeah, amen, amen. We represent hustling here. 15 no bottom wick. Cool. We moved 71 pip. It's really hard. It's really risky to trade now. No clear direction. We just, consolidating on price. Yeah, but close above the range is good. Take buys. Not disclosure. This is not look good. No top wick too. So What's up, John? How you doing? You pass your funded account now? Your phase one? I'm calling it day today. Took 2 trades today, no bueno. Yeah, call it a day. I'm already in phase two. Wow, gang. I told you, right? I told you, bro. I told you to take, you know. I told you to take a funded, not demo, right? See that? You are in phase two now, gang. Look at you, bro. Not looking for a show. No, I'm not gonna take shorts. We have a lot of support here, so I need clean. I need clean range, clean. Or have you look any another I'm gonna look on NAS, but the NAS is crazy. The NAS is crazy, bro. If the this NAS 100, you should trade this with the only NY session, but you know the problem here is you have a lot of consolidating, and then suddenly volume will come. I don't like that, right? There's no clear directions. But I'm gonna stick with gold first, because the stop here is huge, right? For example, you're gonna take buy here, where you're gonna put your stops here. It's huge, so I don't like that. Only the volume will come on the NY session, so man, it moves different too. Yep. John is a pace 2 now. Man, congrats, brother. I told you, gang. I told you to lock in, you lock in. Congrats. Yeah, bro. I would suggest like take it slow in pace 2, right? You just need to have I believe 5% there. So man, take it slow. When you pass that, challenge account, when you pass that, you become funded trader, man. It's like like you graduate in college. So yeah, congrats, bro. Congrats. W. How to get challenge account? Yeah, you can look on the Alpha Capital or FTMO if you want. There is I would say 10k, yeah, 10k challenge. So it's just a 40 US dollar for a 10k challenge. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you drop some likes and subs to the channel. 30 minutes about to close. We move down 82 pips. Coach, do you have any idea how can I start funded account journey? I want to try my strat on the yeah. You can buy funded account. You can start buying funded account. Just try it, bro. Try it. If you want to start with a 10K, I believe Alpha Capital is there, so it's $40. Mm, 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 mm. Toot-toot-toot. 4 minutes, man. It's gonna be clean going up here. Yeah, we right now we're building the structure, chat, on price. We just need to wait, right? We just need to wait because we're just building the structure. We just need to wait for the structure to form. Like clean going up, clean going down. We just need that, right? The clean range. Because if we are in the choppy range, we cannot take trades. I don't like to risk. Because if we're gonna take sells here, we just got 20 pip range here, and then the next support is down there 35, and then the next is here. So you need to be aware of this, and then this, and then this. Chat, make sure you like the stream, all right? Can I see 20 likes in here, chat? We are 24 viewers right now. Just like the stream, gang. Like the stream. Subs to the channel. Yeah, I have some cryptos too. Yeah, I have crypto. I hold crypto, but not that much. Just small account. All right, we're moving down. Close below the range. Mm, 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 mm. Boop, boom, 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 boom. Who's up this week, chat? Who's up in trading this week? Who up? Who's W's got some W's this week? And who has got break even and who got some L's this week? Let me know. Drop it in the chat if you guys are up this week, break even or taking L's. Let me know. Drop it in the chat. Break even. Okay. Negative pa coach. We're getting there. Good for win today. Wow. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, if you have win today, yeah. If you have like percentage wise, 2-3%, always hitting trail stop. Yeah, trail stop. Yeah, that's the problem with the trail stop. Right. I'm not using trail stop. I always, close partial so that I can secure profit onto the market. So I would suggest if you are practicing to do the trail, because trail stop is basically will work if there is a lot of volume into the market. For example, um, I would say you can do trail stop when the NY session is happening, because you will see the candles are moving very big, right? So for example, you got um enter right here, or let's say you got cells here, right? And then you enter a sell. So you, if right now you are in profit, and then you're gonna see the candles open, and then this candle re-break the high, you can put your trail stop here. You put your stop loss there, so you are in profit there, because you need to understand the logic of trail stop. You're not gonna put, oh, I'm gonna put my trail stop here because I know the fact that it's not gonna top. No, you need to always put your trailing stop in the candle high, on the candle low. If you're doing trail stop, because if you're putting your trail stop in the middle of the candle, there is a high chance that it's gonna be hit. Should put on the high or on the low. If you are selling, you can put your trail stop on the high. If you're buying, you can put your trail stop on the next candle low. that that's how trail stop works. And I would suggest always taking profit into the market. Take partial there so you can secure anything because you took the trades, right? You should have at least. Mm-mm-mm. 9 minutes for candle to close. Let's see how this candle close. You better say na, 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 na. Hi bro, how are you? I'm doing good. How you doing? Farhad? How's the trading, gang? How's your trading journey? Oh, good. Nice, gang. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Almost recover 18,000. Wow, bro. Congrats. 18,000 US dollar, man. Congrats, bro. Making good money there, huh? Sell? No, no, I'm not selling yet. I need to wait. I'm not selling. I'm waiting. Dun, 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 dun. If this candle close back in the range, yeah, I'm probably gonna take buys here. I just need to see this candle looks like. Dun, 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 dun. No closure, gang. All right. No closure. Waiting. Waiting, chat, waiting. Oh, we have news later tonight. Core retail. We have prelim UOM2. So 4:30 and 6 p.m. Nice. No tweets. Okay. Oh, one major question will be from federal. Alright. Aight. Oof. Volume. Volume. Re-break the high again. Mm-mm-mm. 11 minutes for candle to close. 11 minutes. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Shout out to 27 viewers. What's up, everybody? Make sure you drop some likes and subs to the channel. Drop some likes, subs to the channel. Mm. 2 minutes and 40 seconds for candle to close. Gonna close bullish. 30 is bullish. Okay, nice. 15 should close bullish. Big body candle. Big body candle. Big body candle. Mm. Dun, 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 dun. Be ready, chat. 1 minute and 30 seconds. We have some potentials buys to retest the high here. Be ready, gang. I need this closure. I need this. We just need a bottom wick and then flip bullish. We're good to move up. 1 minute, gang. 1 minute. Locked in. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. All right, this is good for me. I need the bottom wick here now. Can we see bottom wick here? Bottom wick. Bottom wick, bottom wick. All right, this is gonna be good, chat. I'm gonna put buy stop in here on the rebreak of the high here. Buy stop. All right, I'm activated on buys here, chat. Activated on buys here. So stops, I probably on the previous candle low. Let's see if we're gonna move up here. Full TP is up here on price. Let's see if I'm gonna move up. We gonna move up. It's really clean going up. So yeah, gang. Let's see. My stops on the re-break of the previous candle low, okay, on the 30. So yeah, let's see if we're gonna move up today. Because we see that fake out, right? And then go back in the range, big candle. So clean range going up. I'm gonna take this 48 pip range going up. So let's see. I got sleep too on price. I got sleep about 4 pips. All right, keep pushing, gang. Keep pushing. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Once you re-break the high here, I probably gonna move my stops to break even. Come on, push. W, John, where you got the trades? Where you took buys? And the bottom here. Volume, where are you, man? We need you right now. We need volume today. We need volume. All right. Keep in mind the 4 close bearish, okay? But 1 hour close bearish too, respecting the zone. I need to see top wick on the 1 and the 4. I need to see this. Before flipping. Oh, you didn't take any trade. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how this candle moved today. Mm-mm-mm. 36 pip stops or 40 pip. Around 36, 37 pip stops. Drawdown again, chat. We are drawdown again today. Having some drawdown is really nice. Really, really nice. All right, volume gang. Prepared to hit the stops. $30 minutes low. If you re-break that, we're gonna melt down. Volume, huh? Volume. Reject. Okay, nice. Can you move up now? Can you move up now? And fill the range up. Ooh, nice rejection, chat. Nice reaction here, huh? On the 5, wow. We have volume, huh? A lot of volume here, gang. Nice reactions, as you can see, chat. Yeah, the stops, really nice there. The stops. Ooh, we're back in the break even. Chat, if you don't like the trade, you can close at break even, all right? If you don't like the trade, you can close here at break even. So, yeah, for me, I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna wait for the re-break of the high there. Once you re-break, I'm gonna manage the trade. I need to manage the trade there once you re-break the high. For now, I'm still on the trade. If you don't like the trade, you can go out of the trade. Close at break even, so yeah. Let's see how this candle will close. Nice reaction on the 30 and the 15 support. Can we move up now? Can we move up? Oh, the 5 reacts there too. Oh my god. really quick. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 15 is about to close. As long as you didn't close below, we're still good. Having some drawdown today again. It's really nice. Being drawdown chat, really nice, right? Really nice. How many pips this? 13 pips? 15 pips? Mm-mm. 29 seconds. Oh. All right. Re-break the low again. Once you re-break that, we're gone. Mm-mm. Sweep. Let's call it a day, coach. Yeah. Once you hit the stop loss, I gonna call it a day, of course. I'm gonna hit the gym and gonna come back on the NY, but let's see. There's no closure below yet. We're just grabbing some orders here. Buyers activated, sellers activated there. So let's see, gang, what this candle will do. As long as we're not closing below the range, we're still good. 5, there's no closure here too. So we're still good here, right? I'm still gonna hold the trade. There's no closure below. Once the 5 close below, yeah, we're gonna hit the stops. If it's not, there's no closure yet, my trade is still fine here. So I'm really trust my trade here. So once again, chat, we are in the break even. If you wanna close the trade right now. We are in the break even again. Okay, so if you don't like the trade, close the trade at break even. For me, I'm gonna trust my plan, hit the break even or taking some partials on the re-break of the high. That's it. Because I plan it, I trade the plan. That's it. Oh, you re-break the high on the 5. It's really nice here. We just need closure here above 5. We need closure above to push up even further. Mm-hmm. How many of you guys still on the trade? Drop in the chat. How many of you guys still on the trade? Drop it in the chat, gang. Can we re-break the high now and push up even further? Can we re-break the high? Re-break the high, gang. Come on. We want to see re-break this and push up. Good closure in the 5s. Now we need to flip this 5 candle, 5 minutes candle. We are in profit now, chat. 2 pips in profit. If you want to take out of this, you can go out or moving stops to break even, all right? So, yeah, okay. Re-breaking the high there, chat. Prepare for closure. Push, push, push. One more push. Come on, gang. Okay, chat. I'm going to close half of the position here and moving stops to break even now. And yeah, gang. Let it run towards to the upside here, chat. Pretty nice trade, gang. Got some drawdown, but it's okay. You know, we took the plan. Okay, moving up now to break even. This is risk ready. Okay, 16 pips, 17 pips. Closing full right here, chat. 17 pips, gang. W's in the chat. That's the trade, gang. That's the trade. You know, having some drawdown is okay, but we need to follow the rules. We need to follow the plan, gang. W's in the chat. 17 pips here. W's in the chat. If you wanna still hold, yeah, you can hold to the top side here. W chat. Oh, how much I got today? Oh, I got 600 bands. Nice. WWW. Again and again. They're saying, oh, you're gonna lose today. W's, bro. W. Drop some W's in the chat. Aray ko. Chat, spam some W's in the chat. We're gonna make some stories today, gang. Chat, spam some W's in the chat. Spam some dubs. Spam some dubs. Let's go. Spam some W. Chat, drop your profit in the chat, gang. Drop the profit in the chat. How much you got? Like $10. Let's see how much you got here. Damn, congrats, chat. Yeah, 170 USD, 20 pips, 108. Wow. Wow. I should held the trade. I should held a little bit longer, but it's okay. It's okay. 32 pips. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, wait. I need to journal this. Close at 17 pips. And this point, 6%. 6%. 6%. That's 30. Yeah. Break of the current high. It's onion. Okay. Buy gold. And London session. 115, right? 115. What's that? Yeah, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. and the date today's 15. Yeah. 25. Cool. W Jagna. W. You out of the trade? Yeah, I'm out. I'm out there, gang. I'm out 17 pips. 17 pips. Buys plus 17 pips. 69 wins. 69 wins. Ooh. W gang. W gang, W. All right, gang. So, congratulations, everybody. So, yeah, I'm gonna call it the stream. I'm gonna see you guys next week. So, if you're gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss, chat. Stop loss. Don't over trade. Don't over risk, gang. Right? If you're up this week, I would say you call it a day. You call it the stream. You call it. You know. So yeah, chat. See you guys next week. All right. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. Peace, peace, peace. W's all the way out here. W's all the way up. Peace.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Did you realize that you are a champion? This is the story of a champion. number one. Did you realize that you were a champion? Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this.